Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this video, we are going to solve below DataWeave interview question. Okay, what is the question here? First, try to understand the problem before going to solve. Okay, so if you consider this is the problem, so what is happening? We'll see now. So here we can see the input contains numbers and characters first. So what it contains? Numbers and characters. So we have to separate every 2 digits into separate key. So now, how many keys here? It will be 5 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now coming to value, every 3 characters, okay, 3 characters, you have to separate, and you have to merge here. So this is the input and expected output is this one. So numbers are keys here. Okay, the numbers are keys. Okay, the numbers are keys here. 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. And IND, India, Australia, USA, England, and Afghanistan, something like this. Okay. So note. So what is the note here? So input will dynamically change every time. I mean, so it would be 3 or 4 or 7 or 9 or 10, whatever it is. So based on this input, you have to print like this. Okay. So in order to solve this problem, so what is my approach here? So my approach is like, first I'm going to separate all the numbers and characters. Then I'm going to merge. So that is my approach. Let's see how I'm going to solve it. So in order to solve this problem, you can go to DataWeave Playground. Okay, you can go to DataWeave Playground. Let me copy this input. Just to copy this input. And I'll keep it in a payload. AFG, right? Okay. FG. So this is my payload now. This is my payload. I'll remove this. So even we can keep it as output as JSON. Okay, that will be enough. If you keep application/JSON or JSON, both will give the same results only. Okay. Okay, this is my payload. Now, so what is my approach? I need to separate first numbers and characters. So how we can separate? So here I'm going to create one variable for codes, where codes equal to payload. So here we do have a function or method called scan or keyword. Okay, payload scan slash again slash now. So in between, so what we need to do? We need to separate only numbers, right? So how it will be 0 to 9. From 0 to 9, 0 to 9, I need to take only 2 characters every time. So if I go and print the codes, see how beautiful it is. So it is separating with 2 characters. So this is what we are expecting, right? Anyway, we'll combine later. Let's try to divide 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and 0, 5. So it's very simple. Payload, scan, the regular expression. We need to write like this. Okay. Now, how to separate characters? So I'm going to keep it as countries here, payload, scan. Now you know how to write it. So instead of 0 to 9, so what you can do, A to Z. Correct, A to Z. So how many characters we need to take? 3 characters. Okay, 3. Now if we print countries, see here, India, USA, Australia, England, and Afghanistan. So now the 90% problem is solved. Now 90% I can say, 90% problem is solved. So now what we need to do? We need to combine. So how to combine this? Just observe here, codes and countries we need to combine. So in order to combine, we have a zip keyword. So you can use zip keyword, codes, zip, countries. See, now these two are into single array, correct? These two are into single array. See, this is one array of index of 0, index of 1, something like this, right? Okay. Array inside of array, we do have this. So earlier, it's a different 0, 1. Okay, if we print codes and countries, we will get the different arrays. Now, here I have combined by using zip, codes, zip, countries. Now, so what is our expected output? It should be like this, correct? So in order to do that, so if it is a array or list, you can use map function here. Okay, map function. So even you can use the dollar also. Okay, if you want, you can use the dollar also. Here I'm using item and index. Okay, now item of 0, 0 of 0, colon, item of 1 of 0. Okay, now this one we need to keep it in a braces. Now see, so 99%. Okay, it's like, see, what is our expectation? It should be in a single object, but here we do have multiple objects. Okay, within the array. Now how to solve this one? Keep it into braces first. Okay, now you can use flower braces. Just cut this one. Okay, flower braces. Inside you can get this code. See how beauty it is. Now the problem is solved. Now the problem is solved. So this is what we are expecting, right? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Now, suppose I'm going to enter 06 Pakistan, suppose. PAK I have given. See, automatically it is adding. You want to add one more, 07. Okay, SR, okay, something like this. See here, it is added. So whenever there is a problem, first you can think through. So how we can solve, okay, any problem. First you need to analyze. So here, my thought process is, okay, need to separate codes and countries, and I'm going to combine. So this is my approach. So if you have any different approaches or any different ideas, please do comment in a comment box. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.